188 Mill Street South. Inside, we have a penthouse listed for sale. This penthouse is a one-of-a-kind luxury condo facing a gorgeous view. Let's go take a look inside it and we can see what I'm talking about. So here we are on the top floor. This penthouse is over 1,800 square feet, which is the largest condo apartment in Brampton right now. Come take a look at this gorgeous unit. This gorgeous condo has 2 bedrooms plus a den and 2 gorgeous washrooms. This entire condo is pure luxury living in the heart of Brampton. This stunning penthouse has everything you would want in luxury living, including private views of Etobicoke Creek, right close to downtown Brampton, and so many other features. If you're looking for this exclusive luxury lifestyle, this condo is not to miss. The area amenities surrounding this condo apartment is stunning. You're near Parks and Rec. Just looking outside of the terrace, you'll see the Joyce Archdeacon Park with the winding Etobicoke Creek Trail. Also, Shoppers World Shopping Mall and the Transit Hub are also just moments south of this building. The William Osler Health Center is a state-of-the-art hospital that has just been built, and it's moments from this building. Other amenities include a walking distance from downtown Brampton. Gorgeous downtown Brampton offers so many things to see and do. For more information or for a private viewing, be sure to contact the Mayer-Harman team. We'd be happy to give you more information and to show you this stunning penthouse.